Hello, viewers. There have been many comments on our clothing over the years, and it is about time they are addressed. Yes, for example, comments on how our clothing is inappropriate, or even how it is somehow harmful. This is not skin you're seeing, this is fur. We are all entirely covered by it. Fur keeps us warm at all times. It is like always having a bunch of clothes on. Imagine if you had a bunch of clothes on at room temperature, and then you put a second layer on top of it.
Exactly. Not only would you feel real hot all the time, you would eventually overheat and end up with heat stroke.
In addition, horse fur is very smooth. That is why they, nor us, appear very furry. I hope this has cleared this up for you all. Thank you for listening.
Oh yes. To those of you who think this logic doesn't apply because we're cartoon characters, I say this cartoon characters argument can apply to anything. You can just as easily, for example, say that gravity shouldn't apply because we're cartoon characters. Think about that.